Hello, my fluffy babies. What is you doing? As you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm just that fabulous. I'm absolutely gorgeous. As you may know, I am going to be showing how I make myself look more masculine with makeup, because some people have a hard time knowing how to make themselves more masculine. And I learned because I was playing in a play, WoW, and I learned how to put makeup on myself as a guy, even though I'm not a guy, you know. I'm going to start by putting here under my eyes. That's just like the first thing. It's not to make yourself more masculine, it's just to hide my insecurities. This is not a makeup channel, by the way. This is just me fucking around. As you can see, Sammy's over here. Please don't be mean. Anyways, the first thing you want to do when you're making yourself look more masculine is, where is it? Take a concealer that's darker than your skin. I have very pale skin, so this is very easy for me. And you put it along the lines of here. I'm still thinking if I should do like daddy makeup, you know, make myself look like a goddamn hot daddy, or if I should make myself an emo femboy. So yeah, here, the lines here are because men tend to, or physically male people tend to have sharper lines around the face. Some people may have noticed that I am naturally very androgynous, and you know, it helps a lot with the makeup. And it makes me sad that some people that are trans and such have a hard time making themselves look more feminine or masculine. But yeah, if you're looking for someone to help you, then this is it. This is me trying to help, I guess. This is really random. I don't know what to talk about, but I think my bird is sick right now. Maybe the common cold, you know, the flu, because he's very fluffy and he drinks a lot of water, and that's a huge sign that your bird might be sick. You know, if he's excessively like fluffy, that means that he tends to be cold and feels uncomfortable. Or she. Just they, honestly. I am going to put some moisturizer for the moist on my lips, because that's what you do with your lips. Otherwise they start looking like raisins, you know? Okay, as you peeps may know, I have a Patreon, and that is an easy way to get your money. I'm just kidding. To steal from you. I'm gonna steal from you. To all the people that, you know, have helped me, like 4 or 5 people, I'm extremely thankful. You know, oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to say, because if you want to define your features here, you can do this here to make your nose look more masculine. Darken the areas of, yeah. By the way, I put a triangle here and here to define my bone structure. Of course, it's not very noticeable. I should probably put this here as well, because it's like, it makes it slightly more noticeable. It's hard to do this looking at the camera because reasons. I gotta say, I have a naturally androgynous face, which I'm really lucky. I've already said that, didn't I? Chicken. Okay, next thing to do, I'm going to thicken my eyebrows with an eyebrow liner. I'm also going to darken them, obviously. It sucks that the camera's way better. Maybe I hope that it's just the resolution on this. I'm just gonna let you listen to this while I do this. I really love him. I'm gonna go get him. Hello. Hi. Yeah. He's definitely feeling better now. Maybe it's because I woke up with the window open and he was really cold because winter. He's confused. He doesn't know what's going on. Anyway, this is Maddie. He's quite the rascal. I love him though. He's actually quite calm on the inside and smart. He's extremely smart. I love him. He's also a total dork. just gonna sit here next to you, the camera, and I will be continuing with the darkening of my eyebrows. The resolution of this excuse of a computer screen is really, really bad. He's gonna poop. Oh, he pooped. That's a really slimy poop. I'm sorry if this is really loud. I'm really sorry to my editor. Sorry. He really wants attention. He's gonna be on my shoulder now. And if he doesn't want to be there, that's okay. I'm gonna continue doing this. I need to darken my eyebrows, but I can't see properly how well I'm doing it because of the resolution of this godforsaken old-ass computer screen. My brother had this when he was like 12. He's 10 years older now, so that's not exactly a good sign. And I hope my mom doesn't come here too soon, because I'm alone with this bird and Sammy at the moment, and I want it to stay that way because otherwise it's gonna be loud and awkward. If you guys have questions for me, I could totally answer them. I've done a Q&A on my Instagram, which is etta.cupping, and yeah, it's in my story highlights. They're pretty fun. It starts out as more wholesome and then it gets more and more cursed. I absolutely love it. I'm going to do this. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows like this to make them more messy, you could say, because men don't traditionally clean up their eyebrows. To all the guys out there, you're awesome. To all the girls out there, you're awesome. To everyone in between, you're amazing, okay? Help. I am stuck in a trash can. New song idea?
Help, I'm stuck in a trash can.
Also another tip, put a little bit of concealer over your lips to hide your lips and make them look smaller. It causes, it puts more emphasis on the rest of your face because lips tend to be considered feminine, even though they're not. Like, my significant other has big lips, but he's a guy, and that doesn't make him any less of a guy, you know? This is kinda how I do it. I have a thing here that hides my chest a bit. Still looks like, let's just say that this is like a bunch of pecs. Should I put some chains on myself? Gotta look like, I'm so cool, dude. I'm so cool. That's all I do. Should I put my hair like this? Looking like, yeah. Or I could do this. Do I look cool as fuck? I look like my dad, I just need the blue eyes and boom. Should I put a beard on myself or should I put some eyeshadow that's down here to look all mysterious and tired all the time, dude? I have a bunch of hats. I also have this here. This is actually merch from Dan and Phil. Introvert, even though I'm an extrovert. Yeah, I should probably do some cool poses. Cringe. I do be looking cool though. I look like a F-boy. Oh yeah, there's also another thing. You go here, I think. The masculine face is often considered more triangular. Because humans tend to be more like soft triangles in the shape of a soft triangle, which is weird, but it's pretty dope. Pretty dope, pretty nice to draw them like that. Just draw a bunch of soft triangles, boom. And then I should probably put earrings in. I have 2 holes. 2 holes, you say? Wink, wink. No, actually I have 4. Thinking of putting eyeliner here. If I could do a femboy kind of thing, then I should probably make my eyes look bigger. Tip number 1 on making your eyes look bigger, put light concealer here in your eyes. And then, of course, dab on it. Dab on them haters, am I right? Oh yeah. Another thing when you're making your eyes look bigger, mascara. This here is almost done. You can probably not see how little there is on it, but you know, I've been using this for a few months. No, more than months, like a year. That's not good because then it dries out and then it's basically expired, but I'm still using it. I'm just going to use this kind of eyeliner because liquid eyeliner is much harder to take off and it can get in your eyes and then your eyes go black. And that's not fun at all. Sometimes I like to look feminine and other times I like to look masculine. That's normal. It's just that it's not normalized. I'm thinking of putting some white eyeliner inside here to make my eyes look bigger again because I'm trying to make myself slightly more feminine. I have this here. I stole it from my mom. She knows though. She just didn't do anything about it. What would the question of the day be? What are your guys' favorite video games? Like, mine is Persona 5. I've only played a little bit of it, but I've seen way more. And it's awesome, honestly. Way better than any story I could create, honestly. Even though I'm not a creator of stories, I'm going to put this here under my eyes. Anyways, thank you for watching this. I don't have many more ideas, so if, like, you guys could help me in any way, give me ideas, then I get a better computer, and then I will probably be all set to make playthroughs of video games and such. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, because liking is a dope thing to do. Does Simon need to say anything? No, he doesn't need to say anything. Anyways, I don't know what else to say, so bye.